Discovery is the lifeblood of existence. Innate in every human, there is a sense of exploration that makes science's most recent discoveries incredibly exciting. The vast frontier of space is home to countless discoveries that we could soon uncover, and scientists work tirelessly to better understand our place in the universe. So today, here at Unexplained Mysteries, we'll be taking a look at 3 exciting space discoveries. NASA touches down on Asteroid Bennu. Asteroids are not simple celestial bodies to engage with. Compared to planets and the size of the universe, they're like tiny atoms in the sky. So you may be surprised to know that NASA recently touched down on an asteroid, Bennu, and the organization discussed the exciting mission in October of 2020. Bennu is an ancient asteroid that is currently on course more than 700 million miles away from Earth. The asteroid is in good condition, and it gives scientists the chance to see what the solar system was like when it was first formed billions of years in the past. The asteroid could also point towards celestial impacts that may have dropped off materials on Earth. On the 20th of October in 2020, NASA's OSIRIS-REx sample collection mission performed a successful touch and go, also known as a tag maneuver. At 1:50 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time on that fateful day, NASA's OSIRIS-REx used its high-end thrusters in order to position itself around Bennu's asteroid orbit. Carefully navigating towards the high-speed asteroid, the machine extended the shoulder, elbow, then the wrist of its 11-foot sampling arm. This long arm is named the Touch and Go Sample Acquisition Mechanism. After descending around half a mile towards Bennu's surface for 4 hours, the OSIRIS spacecraft began what it called the checkpoint burn. This maneuver is just one of 2 that allow the shuttle to reach its target, the sample collection site known as Nightingale. From NASA's data, they believe that the tag event was successful and went as expected, though it will be some time before the team working on the project will be able to confirm how many samples the spacecraft collected. The image of Bennu that we can turn to in order to visualize the asteroid is a composite made from 2 images taken by the OSIRIS-REx spacecraft. The image depicts Bennu ejecting some kind of particles away from its surface, and the image was produced using cropping, brightness adjustment, as well as contrast editing. The fastest growing black hole. When we think of black holes, we usually think of giant space vacuum cleaners, eating everything they come into close contact with, and pulling anything unfortunate enough to enter their paths. But not all black holes grow at the same speed, and some actually grow much faster than others. If 2020 wasn't scary enough, it also marks the year where scientists confirmed the existence of what is now known as the fastest growing black hole ever recorded. In 2018, at the Australian National University, a team of researchers discovered the black hole with the short name of J2157. After years of investigation, the team examined the object's mass and matter intake to better understand the black hole's condition. What they found was staggering. Using the Very Large Telescope in Chile, the team knew that the black hole is actually a quasar. Technically speaking, quasars are very bright centers of space that surround supermassive black holes as they pull in matter. As the matter is dragged into the black hole, energy is ejected out in massive amounts, and we can observe this energy all across the electromagnetic spectrum. The matter that surrounds the black hole's edge moves at incredible speeds, almost the speed of light. This has left some scientists to describe the phenomenon as a natural particle accelerator. We now know that J2157 is actually 34 billion times the mass of our Sun. For comparison, the Milky Way is home to the supermassive black hole Sagittarius A star. Our black hole is a meager 4.2 million solar masses, roughly 8,000 times less than J2157. Amazingly, if you were to swap Sagittarius A star with J2157, it would shine 10 times brighter in the sky than the Moon. The rate that J2157 is growing is equally astounding. Believe it or not, the behemoth black hole actually grows roughly 1 solar mass each Earth day. That's one size of our Sun, every 24 hours. It's also about 3.8 planet Earths every second that passes. Team researcher Dr. Foyan Bian, an astronomer from the European South Observatory, said the following of the discovery. We knew we were on to a very massive black hole when we realized its fast growth rate. How much black holes can swallow depends on how much mass they already have. So for this one to be devouring matter at such a high rate, we thought it could become a new record holder, and now we know. However, luckily for us, J2157 is roughly 12.5 billion light-years away. This means that we are observing it when the universe was 10% of the age it is now. Scarily, this also means the black hole is likely much, much larger today, and its size could be unimaginable. While black holes may mystify and terrify us, there's no denying that there is plenty more for us to learn about the universe's most destructive and gargantuan celestial bodies. NASA discovers new world. Finding new planets isn't quite the big deal as it used to be in the medieval ages. While humans may have initially believed that the universe began and ended with the solar system, we now know that the universe is home to 10 to the power of 25 planets, a truly staggering number. That said, it isn't very often that we discover a planet that shares the same coveted characteristics of Earth. Planets in the often described Goldilocks zone, where it's not too hot or too cold, are a keen interest for scientists and the general public, as they point to the possibility of future colonies or even different forms of life. In January of 2020, NASA announced their discovery of one of these hospitable planets. The discovery was made by NASA's Transiting Exoplanet Survey Satellite, also known as TESS. The Earth-sized planet orbits within the habitable Goldilocks zone of its nearby star. This ideal location means that it could be possible that conditions would allow for liquid water on the planet's surface. The planet, named TOI 700d, was confirmed using NASA's Spitzer Space Telescope. NASA's Transiting Exoplanet Survey Satellite has discovered its first Earth-sized planet in its star's habitable zone, the range of distances where conditions may just be right to allow the presence of liquid water on the surface. Scientists confirmed the find, called TOI 700d, using NASA's Spitzer Space Telescope and are using the discovery to point towards other Earth-like planets. Paul Hertz, Astrophysics Division Director at NASA, said, TESS was designed and launched specifically to find Earth-sized planets orbiting nearby stars. Planets around nearby stars are easiest to follow up with larger telescopes in space and on Earth. Discovering TOI 700d is a key science finding for TESS. Confirming the planet's size and habitable zone status with Spitzer is another win for Spitzer as it approaches the end of science operations this January. The planet's star, TOI 700, is small and cool. It is a dwarf star and is located in the Dorado constellation, just above 100 light-years away. The star is approximately 40% of the mass of our Sun and has roughly half of our Sun's surface temperature. Scientists know that TOI 700 has 3 planets, and the team originally believed the star was much more similar to our Sun, with the planets appearing to be much larger and hotter than they actually are. When the error was discovered, scientists noticed that the accurate readings indicated that TOI 700d would fit comfortably into the zone hospitable to life. Emily Gilbert, a graduate student at the University of Chicago, said, "When we corrected the star's parameters, the sizes of its planets dropped, and we realized the outermost one was about the size of Earth and in the habitable zone. Additionally, in 11 months of data we saw no flares from the star, which improves the chances TOI 700d is habitable and makes it easier to model its atmospheric and surface conditions." The planet closest to the star, named TOI 700b, is incredibly similar to Earth's size. The planet is most likely rocky and finishes its orbit every 10 days. The next planet, TOI 700c, completes its orbit every 16 days. is just over 2.5 times the size of Earth and is probably mostly made up of gases. The final planet, TOI 700d, is the one which shows the most promise towards habitability. The planet is estimated to be 20% bigger than Earth and takes in 80% of the energy that the Sun sends to Earth. Each one of these planets is believed to be tidally locked, meaning that they make one rotation per orbit, meaning one side is perpetually in daylight. But what do you make of these space discoveries? Be sure to let us know your thoughts in the comments section below and help us by growing this community while working to solve these unexplained mysteries. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos.